Hey guys, what's up? So one day I wanted to make a video on making an easiest Arduino car, but the problem was that so many people have already made a video about it. Then after seeing all those videos, I wanted to make a different video on Arduino car, so I waited. So one beautiful evening, I was scrolling down on YouTube. Then I found a video and got an idea. In the video, I saw that the YouTuber took a remote controlled car and then replaced the top with a 3D printed body of a Tesla Cybertruck. But my idea was to make an Arduino remote controlled car and then make the body of Tesla's Cybertruck but not 3D printed. So I made it. The components you need are an Arduino Uno board, one MotorSheild, two geared DC motors, 4-cell battery pack, two white LED lights, two red LED lights, some male-to-male jumper wires, 4 resistors, 6 ice cream sticks, 4 wheels that can be attached to a DC motor, the one shield board. You can also use the NRF24L01 module, but I'm not using it as it requires 2 modules, 2 Arduino boards, 1 joystick and so much of wiring. Whereas for one shield, you just need to attach the board and all your wiring and connections are done. So you first take your Arduino Uno and then take your MotorSheild, then attach it on top of Arduino. Then you can attach your motor 1 on these 2 pins and then attach your motor 2 on these 2 pins. Then you can attach your battery on these 2 pins. So now we take our motors and then attach them. After you have attached your motors to the MotorSheild, you have to attach the one shield on top of the MotorSheild. Attach your LEDs to your one shield as shown in the circuit diagram. After your circuit is done, you attach your Arduino to your computer. So now let's move on to the programming part. So here I included the custom settings, the gamepad shield, the voice recognition shield and the one shield itself. Now here I defined my motors and the commands which we are going to give so that our car goes forward, backwards, left or right. These are our 4 LEDs, and now in the setup function I set my one shield to begin. Then here I defined my motors are output and set my voice recognition to start. Then I said my LEDs are output. Then in the setup function I set my LEDs to turn on because this is going to run only once. Then in the loop function I said if gamepad is pressed up, then move my car forward. If the gamepad is pressed down, move my car backwards. Then if blue is pressed, turn my car to the left side. Then if red is pressed, turn the car to the right side. If green is pressed, stop my car. Then comes the voice recognition part. If the voice recognition catches the forward command, move my car forwards. And if it catches the backward command, move my car backwards. The same principle is followed for the left and the right function. These are some functions that I programmed to move my car forward, backward, left, right, or stop. After the uploading is done, I made a base of length 17 cm and breadth 14 cm with ice cream sticks. It is optional to attach two toothpicks at both ends of the base. Here I have attached the circuit on the base. Boards are in the center, motors and the red LEDs are at the back, the battery pack and two white LEDs are in the front. Now it's time for printing. You can download these templates from the description below. You can print it on glossy paper or plain paper. Now after the printing is done, let's cut it. You have to fold these parts in. And then glue it. And you're done. After your Tesla is done, open the MotorSheild app and scan your MotorSheild. After it is connected, select the voice recognition shield and gamepad shield. Then you can play with your car. Forward, backward. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this project, please like the video, share and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the notification bell down there so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So that's all for today. Bye.